Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lazy Housewife. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a review on the Miss Fong Diaper Bag. As you can see, it does look similar to another popular brand. Never put out the money for that kind of money for a diaper bag, and so when I was looking for one, I had come across this on Amazon, and I actually bought this for a friend for her baby shower, and I loved it so much. So I knew for this baby I had to get another Miss Fong diaper bag. So I'm just going to show you guys a review on the diaper bag and my first impression. So as far as the outside, the material is really soft. I was worried about it being stiff or just not having that relaxed feel, and it definitely does have that like relaxed material, so I love that about it. It's super soft. And then it does have the gold trimmings on it. I'll try and show you guys a better picture. And then of course I had to get a little pom for the side because it looks so cute that way. So before I show you guys the outside, I do want to let you guys know there is a classic version, there is a convertible version, and then this is the new convertible version. So this one they did make some changes, like they have the straps on this one, or it's like a hanging strap, and then right here against this they put nylon, and then it has like the leather material on here. And so I really like that they put the nylon here so that it doesn't easily tear from the stitching. And then as you can see, I did connect this bag, which this strap right here, it comes off. Usually I like to throw on a purse over my shoulder, so I'm glad that this strap came with it. I'm really happy, and it is nylon material, so it's really soft, and I really like that. And then on the back side, there is the backpack version. So you just slip these out right here, and then you can connect the straps. As you can see, I did show a clip of me doing this too as well. And so you just have the straps right here, and then you're able to put it on as a backpack. And honestly, they did end up changing the nylon material for the straps, and I love it because it's a lot more comfortable to use, a lot more functional. Right here as well, just a really well made bag for $46.99. So on the older models, they did have a pocket that zipped down right here and you're able to slip stuff in here. They still have this deep pocket right here for like tablets. So the newest feature that they did put on the new convertible model is this slip right here. So right here at the bottom, they have a slip which allows it to go all the way through. And that slip is going to be for whenever you're on the go. And I know when I've carried a diaper bag or even a purse, it's hard to use this for my luggage when I'm on the go. So I thought this was a really creative idea that they were able to make an opening zipper right here so that you are able to put that on top of your luggage and it's able to be secure right there. So I think that's a great idea. Okay, so now for the outside. So I love that the gold hardware is really heavy, and also it does say Mrs. Fong on there. So I love that. As you can see, it has the two clips so that you're able to hang it, as well as connect these straps right here. And these straps are able to connect on each side, and this can strap onto your stroller so that it's able to hang. So I love that these came with it. It's on extra cost. It comes with this. And it also comes with the changing pad that you're able to slip in the back here. And so I love that it came with these items, as well as a little bag to store the diaper bag in. So in the front, as you can see, they do have the zippers that you can put in here, and I love that it has a little safe zipper in there, and then it also has a deep pocket right here, because I love this one because I already know I'm going to put my phone right in here, so it's easy access. And then on the sides, kind of the same thing. It has two small zippers in here that go all the way down to the bottom, so it's nice and deep if you need to put any kind of pens or any snacks for the kids, as well as another deep pocket in here, so for bottles, anything like that. And it comes on the other side as well. And then as far as the front, it does have like a half moon zipper that just opens up, and I'll go ahead and show you guys in here. So now just to show you guys the inside of the bag, if you've had a newborn before, then you know that you will absolutely need all the space that is inside this bag. What I really like is that they have two insulated pockets for bottles to keep them warm or cold on each side. So I'm really happy that they have that. And then they have a ton of pockets in here. The first one that they have on the side is a zip up. So if you need to put anything in there, and then there's a mesh pocket in there on this side. And then on the front again is another two mesh pockets for extra bottles or just to put diapers, wipes, and extra baby clothes. Most of the time I end up carrying a breast pump with me, so I'm really happy that this will fit perfectly in here with all of the items. And then on this side, there is also another large zip pocket right here. So definitely if you need to put a phone or wallet inside here, it has plenty of room. So that is going to be my review for the outside and inside of my Miss Fong diaper bag. And honestly, I'm so excited about using it. I love it already. And I'm going to go ahead and do a what's in my diaper bag at this point. I do have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, so I still am going to need this bag. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what's in my mommy purse for toddlers. Okay, so as far as packing my diaper bag, I'm going to go ahead and start with the inside with just the basics. So first things first, I'm going to need diapers. So I always carry about 3 to 4 diapers on me. These are the Kirkland ones from Costco. I'm just going to place them right down at the bottom, because those ones are just going to be the easiest to grab, and I already know I'm going to put everything else inside the pockets. And then next I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Wipeys. These are the Kirkland brand, also from Costco. Pick these up, you guys. I swear by these. These are the best Wipeys you will ever use. They're hypoallergenic. They're super big, and it comes in like 900 for, you can catch them on sale for like $15. Otherwise, they're like 19. So I'm just gonna leave that on the bottom, and it'll be super easy to just reach in and get. If you do have toddlers, you are going to need snacks. So that's what I have these for. My kids love these chips. They are also from Costco. These ones I'm gonna put right in one of the netting pockets there. And then you're gonna have some grapes. Now I do have a 2-year-old. I don't let him eat grapes. I actually don't even like him eating grapes because they're just too scary. I know you can cut them up a few different ways, but I just rather not chance it because he just doesn't take well to grapes yet. Those are gonna be for my 4-year-old and my 8-year-old. And then for the baby, these are gonna be for emergency. Just if you guys know while you're out, and if you guys have snacks, then those are like the best things. We're out of cuties, otherwise I would have some cuties in there to add. And the Nutri-Grain bar is also gonna be for my son. So literally, those just fit in there perfectly. I also have just like some kind of water. Usually I have a water bottle, but those are all being washed right now. So I just have this water bottle. I like that it's like a smaller version. So I'm just gonna put that inside the insulated pack area. I might even put them out here eventually. I know I'm probably gonna use both of them, but it's just gonna be on the inside for now. So that's what I have on the inside. And then as far as the outside, I'm gonna go ahead and have my phone. I'm just gonna slip it right in there. And then of course hand sanitizer for the kids and myself whenever we go places. I'm just gonna go ahead and slip it right here on the side. And then as far as my wallet, it is pretty large, and I do hate putting my wallet inside the diaper bag just because I feel like this carries a ton of germs. So I hate putting it inside there because I know I have their snacks in there and like pacifiers when the new baby comes. So I really hate putting my wallet inside of the bag. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and slip it right in here, and that'll be easy to get to. For now, I do know I want to switch out a wallet. I might find a spot for it eventually, or even put it in here, but I do like this for my phone. So I'm so glad I can finally connect this to my stroller. I'm gonna go ahead and put these inside the other pocket for when I need them. My bag is all packed. I love this bag so much. I really hope you guys check it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Okay, so that is going to be the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also write down in the comments what you guys thought of the bag. I'm going to have the link to Miss Fong's website, and they are also on Amazon, so I'm sure everyone has an Amazon account. And like I said, I did previously buy actually the gray color in this for a friend of mine, and so I just knew that I had to have it. So I'm really happy that Miss Fong sent me this diaper bag because I already knew that I was obsessed. And so because of the new version that they have with the nylon and the Traveler's accessible bag right here, I love it, and you can't beat that price. They also come in different colors. They have a gray, a brown, I think they have a red and olive right now. So be sure to check out the website because they do have different styles, so whatever, you know, suits you. Don't forget, this is the new convertible version, so in case you guys want this specific bag, make sure to check it out because this is the newest one that just launched like a few days ago. Okay everyone, so that's gonna be the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review and also a what's in my diaper bag. So if you guys did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel if you are new, and also say hi in the comments. Let me know what you thought of the diaper bag. Thank you so much, Miss Fong, for sending this diaper bag, and I can't wait to start using it. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.